Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your car in Kerala. First, begin by meticulously preparing your vehicle. Collect all essential paperwork, such as your registration certificate, current insurance, and pollution under control certificate. Having a full service history and warranty details on hand builds buyer confidence. Next, give your car a comprehensive clean, inside and out, and address any small cosmetic issues. These initial steps are crucial for making a strong first impression and attracting serious buyers. Once your car is prepared, the next step is effective pricing and marketing. Research the market to set a competitive price. Look at similar models in Kerala to get an accurate estimate. Then, list your car on popular online platforms like OLX or Car Whale, which are widely used here. Remember to take excellent, clear photographs from multiple angles. Showcase your car's best features and its well-maintained condition to attract maximum interest from potential buyers across the state. When interacting with potential buyers, transparency is key. Be honest about your car's history, including any accidents or significant repairs it may have undergone. Always allow serious buyers to inspect the vehicle thoroughly and offer them a supervised test drive so they can experience it firsthand. Be ready to negotiate the price, but ensure you have a firm minimum amount in mind. This approach builds trust and helps facilitate a smoother, more confident sale for both parties involved. Finally, to complete the sale, focus on the essential documentation. You'll need to fill out and submit Form 29 and Form 30 at the Regional Transport Office for the official transfer of ownership. It's crucial to ensure any outstanding loans or hypothecation on the vehicle are fully settled and documented before proceeding with the transfer. Always obtain a signed delivery note and a comprehensive receipt, clearly detailing the final sale price and the exact date of the transaction for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.